Hey guys, George, Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at the Art of Animation, the Lion King area in a family suite. We were able to get upgraded and this is so worth it. So this area has its own little kitchenette that's part of the family suite. It has a microwave, an apartment-sized fridge, and a sink area where you can actually have food, come store food, buy food, and microwave it. Great couch that actually is a couch bed. Can sleep 2 kids and 1 adult. Headboard's awesome, you got the giraffes, and then this lamp is outstanding. Leaf lamp, and then you come through. Great wrap chair, and then these little stools look like logs, and they just carry through the jungle theme with the wood, faux wood finishes on the dresser, and the area to hang your clothes. And then you come around, this is the dining section. It's right when you come in. Now, they have the leaf chairs, which are really just kind of neat, but the back with those birds, really what that is a Murphy bed, those who don't know. You move those leaf chairs out, that comes down, and that can sleep 2 people, probably 2 adults who like each other, can sleep in that. And so then now you got 4. What they have in this part of the suite is it has its own bathroom. So here it has its own sink area, which is great. Simple sink area, but then it has its separate toilet and shower. Now we know those guys. Those guys are in desperate need of a shower. I'm glad they're here. And then outside here, if you come out, now what they have is another room, and this is the master. Now the master suite in here is great. Queen size bed, good size. You got a great headboard. We know him very well. The lamps are leaves, again, carrying the theme of a jungle throughout, which is great. Got a great flat screen TV for you. Again, the dresser, wood finishes, leaf top, but it has its own shower area. African sunset in this, really done well. Sink area by itself. So it has 2 bathrooms, a tub, can be a shower, a walk-in shower, and a dining area separate from the living area, which has its own couch bed. So really, if you were to come here as a family, it's easily could do 4 people in here. You could squeeze 6 if you liked each other a lot, but make this work really for a family in a great resort. So guys, it's George, Florida Parks After Dark. Do me a favor. This is a great space to come rent. I would tell you right now, if you were to get a room, try to get it in the Lion King section. It's beautiful. And like this video and go to subscribe to our channel. And we will on to our next adventure. You guys take care.